Hi boys and girls, it's Shane and Jennifer. And these tenants are about to get to walk through this house for the first time. They rented it from me, seeing it in trash condition, trusting that I would be able to make it beautiful and remodel it. But look at that front door, isn't it great? And this is Luna. Look at Luna's eyeballs. Isn't Luna beautiful? I love you, Luna. Ladies first, here we go. So first impressions of the house. Going in. Hey Luna, yeah, welcome home. You're excited, I can tell. Hi boys and girls, it's Shane. It's the end of the day, and I'm definitely not gonna publish this video today. I'm gonna publish it in the future because in 3 days, somebody is moving into this house. And I don't want to give them any worry or concern, but I wanna show you guys some of the condition the house is currently in. We have to have this completely ready. So we got the countertops covered. You saw the video on these, they turned out really cool. I'll show you the reveal later in this video. But we've got problems still that we have to fix. We have trim that's not done, walls that are unfinished. We have huge messes still. Just got the door hung yesterday. We've got all this crud on the floors. I'm pretty happy with how far the bathroom has come, although it looks like a mess right now. We've got the tile in. We've got a little trim to do around here. The cleanup of all this. And hi Shane. Oh, faucet. I've got to do a faucet. I'm also really happy with this light fixture. I found this for $10 at a bin store. Anyway, we've got doors. This one was covered in graffiti and has to be taken care of. More floors. So 3 days. Today's Tuesday night. We'll have Wednesday. This is part of the front porch fixture. Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, they move in Saturday morning. They're relocating from across the country from Colorado. What do you think? Are they going to be happy? Wow, like, oh no, it's terrible? Or wow, like it's better than you expected?
Wow, it's a lot better than expected.
Awesome, come on in. Come on in. How do you feel about the door? Do you like the color?
I love it.
Great.
Great. That's a good color door.
Kitchen. Luna's so pretty. So that'll be your dining room or miscellaneous room there. What do you feel about your turtle? You said you wanted a turtle?
I love it.
So we have a fridge for you. We have a stove for you. If you do want to replace it, just let me know. You can put your own in here, but I'd like to take those into storage if you do. And then the bedrooms are up that way. What could you have gotten in Colorado for the same rent? $2,700 for about the same size?
I would say I had an additional room.
One additional room?
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay.
Where do you want to go? Call me in.
So this is less than half the price.
Yes.
$1,200 a month. What do you think of the floors?
I love them.
That's the very last thing I did last night. So they should be, yeah, they're good.
Yeah, this is going to be good for the purr. So. I like the floors.
Cool.
I love them.
Cool. This is the second bedroom in here. Okay, the bathroom, we decided you gave us an extra week.
Yes.
So we weren't going to do as much in the bathroom, but you can take a look in there if you want now. So we updated it completely, or as completely as possible. So we were going to try to save the vintage blue tile, but it didn't work out. And check out the light fixture. I love the light fixture.
I love it.
We hear you. We hear you.
There you go, backyard. Now they're working on this sewer line. They should be done in I don't know. Depends on the weather. It's been raining them out the last week.
Okay.
But so how excited are you to be here?
I'm excited. We're ready to unload our stuff.
Yeah, I'm ready to.
All right. Well, we're gonna get out of your way so you guys can get settled.
Okay.
And we'll keep doing some updates and everything else as we go. But yeah, this was what I was going to cut into. If I had a little more time, I was going to turn that into a little place for Luna to be able to sleep because there's the area under the stairs and it would be like your own little Harry Potter house.
Do you want that area? You want it?
You want it?
Oh, she sat down.
She sat down, so clearly she wants it.
Yeah.
Hi boys and girls, it's Shane. After a week of 16-hour days, this is my final day. They are moving in tomorrow. We got a ways to go.